Starting from the farthest to nearest spot, located in Qatar, World of Luxury aims to submit the conditioning and furniture transport services in a global criteria system. Our team combines high-quality, time-committing, continuous developing and competitive atmosphere conceptions. These conceptions are our compass towards a very innovative professional services in purpose to compete with the biggest competitors worldwide. What are our services? 1. Furniture transportation. 2. Disassembling, moving and packing furniture with bubble wrap. 3. General maintenance. 4. General cleaning. 5. All conditioning types. 6. VIP services. Options are several. You deserve the best of them.